Why did you start your business? What was your trigger, your catalyst? For me, I just finished the coaching qualification and I really enjoyed doing leadership coaching, but there wasn't many opportunities for me to do it in work. So I decided I wanted to step out. Actually, coaching gave me the confidence to step up my own. I'd been working in corporate all my business life. And then I decided, you know what? I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm going to have a go doing it on my own. And it was scary, but I really enjoyed it. And the bizarre thing is, I left because I wanted to do more leadership coaching. And now 15 years later, I hardly do any one-to-one leadership coaching. And that's a choice. I decided that I loved one-to-one and it has a big impact, but actually I have much more fun running workshops. I have much more fun when I'm in with a group of people, whether it's online, whether it's face-to-face. I find there's greater interaction, there's more group learning, and there's more of an opportunity to try things out and be adventurous. And so that's what I spend most of my time doing. And my favorite course that I run has to be about presentation skills. I love talking about presentation skills, about helping people share their story, get a structure. The reason I love it is because many, many years ago, I was terrible at it. I couldn't coherently say what I wanted to say. I probably can't now, but hey ho. I needed to get better because I knew if I didn't, I'd be stuck in this job forever. And I didn't want that. And so what I did is I took every course. I went to night school and learned how to project my voice and how to have greater presence. I went on every course. I read loads and loads of books and magazines on how to be a better speaker. And I started putting it into practice. And I found out that I was actually really good at it. And I really enjoyed it. I now teach business owners, leaders in organizations, how to have much more impact when they speak, how to be more confident as a speaker. And I love it. I really love it. And the biggest reason I love it is because for me, you see the results immediately. I'll say to somebody, okay, open with greater impact. And this is how you do it. This is the structure, build around. These are your messages. And I will give them the formula and then they'll apply it in the workshop and they'll get feedback in the moment. And when you can see the confidence they get from having that feedback and showing that they can do something that they never thought possible, that for me makes me feel wonderful. Because I know I've influenced how they communicate and they can speak much better now than they had before they walked into my workshop. And that's why I do what I do. I love that element of it. So I'd be really curious, why did you start up your business? And is the reason still valid now or has it changed?